Hello, yes. Welcome to our Excel 101 session again. So, I will discuss now the dynamic filtering of um, dynamic filtering technique. So, I need the category filter here, then the choices. So, um, if wait, I will just data validation list. Okay. Okay, so if I filter the fruits, the choices here will be the apple, orange, grapes. But if I filter veggies, the choices here will be eggplant, tomato, broccoli. It depends the first filtering um, the choices will be depends on how you choose the category. So this is the dynamic filtering technique. I will teach you how to do this. Um, okay, so let's start. Um, these two group of fruits and veggies, we will need to name the whole group. So highlight the whole, then name it here on the upper left side. So name it fruits. Fruits. Okay. Then enter. Again, highlight this, then name it as veggies. Then enter. Once you done that, um, click here in the choices, then add data validation list, and then um, type this formula indirect, then choose choose this cell because this is where we depends, and then enter. Okay, so let's try. um I choose fruits, then apple, orange, grapes. See, and then if I choose veggies, the choices will be eggplant, tomato, broccoli. So that's the dynamic filtering. So this is helpful for the reporting um, in your office. So you don't need to um, add extra formula in your reporting dashboard or etc. So this is very helpful.